Okay, welcome to my room at Seaclub Alcudia, Seaclub Mediterranean Resort. Let's put that for the electricity and let's check my room and my home for the next week, next 7 days. I don't need this. This is Beach Adventures with Chris and I am in Alcúdia again, and we'll be staying at the Seaclub Alcudia Resort. And let's check the room. Let's start here at the entrance, and we have the bathroom, quite spacious with towels and quite huge shower, and also window out, even a hair dryer obviously. So the official rating of this hotel is 4 stars. It's actually an apartment hotel as such. And this is the kitchen. There is a sink, there is a coffee machine, microwave, but even more appliances for bread, for water kettle, and everything you need for to cook food instead of eating out. And even a fridge as well. We have also a water inside as well. Here we have the bedroom with living room together, but let's open the sheet so that we can see the room better. There is a TV and quite spacious, I might say. There is central air conditioning. And let's see what are the storage possibilities as well. Quite spacious. There is a mirror here and double bed just for me. But let's see how is the view from the balcony. Okay, good news, there will be sunset here. And I have actually water view, but it's the canal here in Alcúdia. The sea is over there, around 500 meters in that direction. Here we have sitting chairs, 2 lounges I must say, and 2 ordinary chairs. And some ants here on the balcony. Nice view indeed. And I'm looking at palms here. And yeah, I think this will do it. It's nice. I wouldn't say that this is 4 stars, but there are lots of pools in the area and a gym also in the whole resort. So maybe it is anyways. The bed, let's see if it is comfy. Oh, it's very hard. It's very hard. I'm not used to this type of hard bed, so I will need to give a verdict after. So yeah, that's it. And now I'm gonna rest a bit before heading to the beach directly, because the sunset here is at 8 p.m. after 8 p.m. and now it's only 2:40, so still lots of time. I had a morning flight 8:15 from Stockholm. It was 3 hours and 20 minutes to get here. It was a bit delayed as it was icy in the Stockholm Arlanda airport. My second time in Alcúdia, I was here in 2023, so I'm really looking forward to explore it again as I have been here before. That's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this room tour from Seaclub Alcudia hotel, and I'm going to show you more of the resort. And now let's head to the beach. Cheers and have a fantastic day wherever you are.